Hello, with you Muhammad Sabri from Way to E-Business. A video of today is about how to create a paid ad on YouTube. It's a step-by-step workshop. If you are still not a subscriber in the channel, please subscribe now and click on the bell to be notified with the next videos. If you like this video, please click like. Let's start the step-by-step workshop to practice how to create a paid ad on YouTube after this. Now we will start the workshop of creating a paid ad on YouTube. The first thing you need to do is open your browser, whether Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or other, but I prefer Google Chrome, and enter in the address bar ads.google.com. Before we start, I need you to confirm that you already update your credit card that you will pay with. The question is, how can I update my credit card in Google AdWords? Go to the top right of the window and click on your logo, then click on your account. You will find a vertical bar on the left and try to find payment and subscription and click on it. On the page opened, you can see payment method and manage payment method link. When you click on it, you will see a page opened contained your credit card that previously registered, and you can add payment method as well and click on save. That's about how to add your credit card data, so it must be entered and your account must be activated. How to create paid ads on YouTube. When you go to ads.google.com, on the vertical left menu, you can find campaign. Click on it. After the page opened, please click on plus here. And from the menu appear, click on new campaign, which multiple options will be appeared in boxes. First box, sales, drive sales online. You can use this option in case of you target sell a specific product. Leads, second box is leads. You can use this option if you target collection customers data who's interested with your products or services, or 2, by video ads that providing a free video training or downloading ebook after the user enter his email, for example. So leads and other conversion by encourage customer to take action. Next box is web traffic. We can use this option to maximize the traffic of the website by clicking the user on the ad and they go to a website. Product and brand consideration. We can use this option to encourage people to explore our products and services we provide. Next box, brand awareness and reach. We can use this option to improve the awareness of the brand and reach a high volume of visitors that interested in our brand. App promotion. We can use this option when we own a mobile application, whether on Android or iOS system, and we need to increase the awareness with the app and increase the numbers of downloads of the app. Create campaign without goal guidance. This option is the option we will use today to know all features and the preferences of the ad, because it's not specialized for a specific purpose, and by choosing this option you can see a various other options depending on it. Search. This option used to make your ad appear in the top search results when some users search for one of the keywords you entered when you set up your ad. Display. This option makes your ad containing an image with text and link located under the image When the user clicks on that link, he goes to a specific page on your website. Shopping, which your ad will be about your products page that contains many products or services. Video, this option is the option we will use today to make a video ad on YouTube. App, this option we use it to make an ad for a mobile application, whether Android app or iOS app. Once we click on video option, two additional options appears: standard video campaign and the ad sequence. The second option, ad sequence, is an advanced option, so we will discuss it in another video. Today we will use the first option, standard video campaign. Then you need to enter a campaign name. The campaign we are preparing today is about a training course specialized for human resource management professionals who have minimum 2 years experience. So the campaign name is PHRI Certification Ramadan. The next part is related with budget. Google provides a new option here that you can decide a total campaign budget, in addition a daily budget or interested. And I recommend this new option because if you use daily budget option and forget to enter the end date of the campaign, so Google continue to charge from your credit card on a daily basis until you surprised that your credit card become empty. Wow. The next part is the start and the end date. So you have to choose the start date of the campaign and the end date too. When you enter the end date, maybe Google Ad after review for approval period told you that the campaign will end very soon. In this case, I prefer to edit the end date with no end, and once your budget is finished, the campaign will be stopped automatically. About the start date, we will choose an option as soon as the approval is done. And about the end date, if we assume that we want a campaign still running for 1 week, so today is 23 and it takes 2 days for approval, I mean it will start on 25, so the end date will be 2nd June. The next part is bidding strategy. Here you can find many options, but only 2 options are activated. The 2 options are maximum CPV and target CPM. Here I will choose maximum CPV, refer to cost per view. So I will pay by video view, but CPM refer to cost by impression, so it means I will pay by impression even the video is not played. The next part called network. In this part I can decide the place of the ad which appears, so you have 3 options here. YouTube search results. Whenever anyone search for the content of your video, your ad will be appeared on the top of search results. YouTube video. Your video ad will appear within other videos on YouTube, whether before or within or after another video. Video partner on the display network. We are not recommend to check this option if your budget is limited, so uncheck this option, if not, check it. The next part is language. Because of the course is targeted to Arabic speakers or who don't speak English or speak English with fair level, and it's our competitive advantage. Start enter Arabic and check it from the menu appears. Next is location. We check enter another location. We want to target Saudi Arabia, so I will choose Jeddah, Riyadh, and you can choose it by click on target word in front of city name. By that way, the ad will be viewed to people who located in Jeddah and Riyadh city. If you observe, we choose one country though we are targeting many countries. Why? Because, for example, the ads targeting Saudi Arabia is more costly compared with the ads targeting Egypt. So if you create one campaign that targets many countries, in the same campaign, you will pay depending on the highest rate or most video views for the video ad conducted in the high rate country. So we prefer to target one country to guarantee the full usefulness. The next part is content exclusion, or the content you don't want your video ad appear on it. So here Google provides you many classifications for the exclusions, and about us, we need to exclude sexual content. The next part is related to devices like mobile, tablet and TV screen, and we didn't make any changes on it because we want our video ads viewed on all. Frequency capping. This option is used to decide how many times the video ad can be viewed by the same user. Cap view frequency. This option refers to how many times your ad can get a view interaction from the same user, so we choose 2 times for the same user. Channel. Are you want your ad to be viewed all the day, or you want to decide a specific time which your ad running on this time? The next part, ad group. And we need to name this ad group. We call it PHRI 2019 Ramadan. This part is used to decide what is target audience. So this part contains 2 items, demographics and audience. When we click on the arrow beside demographics, we can find that it contains from 4 items. Gender, we will leave all the checks selected as it with no changes. Age, we assume that the person finished the university studies when they have 22 years old, and to attend this course you need to have at least 2 years experience in HR. So we will decide the age for the ad starting from 24 years old up to 50. So we need to uncheck some options like 18 to 24, over 50 and unknown. So by that way we guarantee actually that the ad will be viewed by people who have the age range we decided. Parental status. We will leave all options as it is without any changes because a person who attended this course may be single or married. Household income is not activated for the Arab country. There are other options for targeting like audience, but the more the use of targeting methods works to narrow the target segment. The first thing here is a content. Let's start with a search field to search for interests, careers, or job title depending on the target segment. For example, the target segment of our ad today are people who work in human resource management. Let's see the results. Employment in executive and management jobs. People who work in career consulting service company. People who work in recruitment and staffing service company. Clerical and administrative in employment company. The next part is related to bidding. What is bidding? It means how much did you want to pay for one video view? Generally, when we pay with dollar currency, in most situations, the fees is not exceeding 10 cents per view. So we can start with 10 cents or 1.75 Egyptian piasters, then 1.5, then 1.25 and so on, but this bid is not fixed along the campaign. So we need to follow the result of the campaign from the first day. If you find that the daily budget doesn't pay it completely, you can reduce the bid gradually as we told you. The next part is an ad itself. We need to copy the link of the video from your YouTube channel and paste it in the campaign here. I previously prepared my YouTube channel and the video page. This is the video. Select the link and press Ctrl+C and go to the campaign page and paste the link here. Yes, the ad is appeared now. And now we are starting to decide the place of the ad. Let's looking for all options. First option is in stream ad. This option means that your video will be shown within other video on YouTube, whether before, within, or after it. Video discovery ad. This option means that your video appears in the top search results when someone searches about your video content on YouTube. 3. Bumper ad. This option is specialized for videos not exceeding 6 seconds in length, and the pros for this option that the viewer can't skip the ad, so he forced to view the ad to the end. But to use this option, you must change a bidding strategy to CPM, cost per impression, not CPV, cost per view, and of course a video couldn't exceed the 6 seconds. The next part is a final URL. It's the link that takes the viewer to a specific page when he is clicking on the ad. This page is a sales page, and now we need to copy its link and paste it in the field of final URL. Display URL. This is an alias link that appears in the ad for a viewer, and mostly Google AdWords put it automatically, so you need to alter it if it's stored. The next is companion banner. This is a banner which appears on computers only and doesn't appear on mobile or tablet, and you can find it over other videos. Here you have two options. Auto generate. Google Ads generate a frame of a video and convert it as a banner image. Option 2. Upload an image. This option gives you the flexibility to upload the image you have on your storage device or on your computer. It's the banner we prepared. The last step now to enter the ad name, PHRI 2019 Ramadan offer. By this step, we finish the campaign setup on YouTube. Let's observe that you can review the ad in the middle of the campaigns page, whether on desktop or mobile version. And on the right side, you can see the campaign estimates and read that depending on the campaign's budget, 1,600 Egyptian pound, bid 1.75, and the other settings, it's expected for this ad to achieve from 1,700 views to 4,300 views, and from 6,000 impression to 17,000 impression. To start publish this campaign and get approval, we need to click on save and continue. Now the workshop is finished today, and I hope you like it and see it useful for you. I am waiting for your questions, suggestions in a comment area below for any improvement you prefer or video you need. If you are still not a subscriber in the channel, please subscribe now and click on the bell to be notified with the next videos. If you like this video, please click like. Best wishes from Muhammad Sabri, Way to E-Business. Bye.